Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to do a quick flip through of this gigantic thing. It's my prayer war room journal, and I'm going to try not to waste any time. So I'm sure that I'll continue working on it with odds and ends that I add to it, but I just thought I would flip it through. My sister wants to see it, so here we go. Added this fringe, by the way, since the last time you saw it. There's the back cover. So there is front. Pocket with a little thing there. Lace pocket. Card with the fabric attached. Velvet tab. My Joan of Arc page for my kit. Little card with the emboss and some hand lettering. My ticket to a prayer closet. My prayer closet. And he makes a way where there's no way. Cards into the side tuck. Prayer warrior and victory page. Tuesday prayer. My 2 cards for my kit. With the velvet on them. Believe. Other side of the Joan of Arc. My little envelope for my kit. Count your blessings. God will make a way where there is no way. He is with you. And my other Joan of Arc piece. God is not late. My little sewing, little prayer changes things. Another tuck-in card with some lace on the pocket. Doily, my sprays. Having done all, stand. Journaling. Just believe. Card from my kit. Prayer changes things with the quilt batting and a piece of scrapbook paper, belly band. Mustard seed faith, victory dance. Take courage, I have overcome the world. The battle is the Lord's. Another tag about praying. He is for you. That's a handkerchief I cut in half and used as a pocket. Did you think to pray? Little money envelope, coin envelope, sorry. He is the waymaker. This is a page from my kit. Here's a little specimen card with these. I did that last fall. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. The battle is the Lord's. Don't turn him away. Fight the good fight of faith. Believing for. Tag to put what I'm believing for on. Little pocket, double pocket with little scripture cards in it. Doily. Pot holder that I got at a flea market. Scripture tag for my kit. Another tag for my kit. Pocket for my kit. Decoupage napkin. The 4 pockets for my kit. 4 pieces of ephemera from my kit. This fold out with the 2 pockets with 2 of the cards from my kit. Scriptures. And a cute card from my kit. This old 1915 red ribbon for a bookmark. Double pocket envelope with cards that have hand lettering inside. the Lord's Prayer on my fabric page with trim. A little card that says, pray without ceasing. Stamping, my ribbon slider from my ribbon slider kit. An Appeal to Heaven page from my kit. I punched some holes and just pulled, I love this yarn that I have, so I just pulled some little pieces of yarn through as a tab. My little sampler from my slow stitching medium. And God Laughs. The Word. Another postcard from my kit. He Makes Crooked Places Straight. Card from a greeting card. I haven't written anything on the back of that. He Is For You. Tag. This is a double pocket that I made from hymnal. Here's your prayer meeting tickets that you can go to your prayer meeting with. And tag in the back of that. And in each of those pockets. Decoupage napkin. This is the page from my kit. Coin envelope from the kit. There's one of those cards that I made with the embossing powder inside that. Card with a little piece of lace from my kit. This is part of my kit. This has the praise report. It has cards for prayer requests and praise reports folded up in it. Cloth page with Tim Holtz fabric and buttons and thread that I decided to do. Here's a double pocket with a little ephemera tucked in. Did you think to pray? He is for you. Emboss. Joan of Arc, piece of work from the 1800s. Listen. 3 of my tags from my kit with scriptures on the back. Do Battle. Tabs from my kit. Kit. No, this is a different kit. Here's some more of that cloth, Tim Holtz cloth page with my coffee filter pocket, an old greeting card with some hymns, and the side pocket has a little tag in it. Hope Means Expect in fabric that I stamped and sewed on there. Time to Pray. With prayer and fasting. Having done all, stand. God is not late. Hope. This is a friend from my group made me. Light in the Darkness. Page from my kit. Decoupage napkins and hymn. Answers. So this is the tie-in removable signature and the back. And that's it. Okay, there we go. So now it's time to move back to the Proverbs 31 woman and finish that up and then move on to the next new project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.